In CENER's photovoltaic component test laboratory, we have just acquired a new large volume climatic chamber in addition to the existing ones, which allows us to increase the test capacities since up to 9 large format modules can be installed simultaneously. With this equipment, it will be possible to perform the most common tests such as damp heap test, thermal cycling, humidity-free, as well as the most recent ones, LIT or PID. Of course, it also allows the testing of the solar trackers and other photovoltaic components such as inverters. The great novelty of this equipment that makes it special is the built-in solar simulator class BBB, which allows the performance of the tests combining temperature, humidity, and radiation in order to reproduce more realistic operating conditions. This new equipment, together with the large surface flash solar simulator that was commissioned last year and the new mechanical load test bench, is a demonstration of CENER commitment for high quality and added value services.